melalui penyelenggaraan work group discussion bersama dengan delegasi Bezos Earth Fund atau BEF, Kementerian Lingkungan Hidup dan Kehutanan atau KLHK, mengajak delegasi BEF untuk meninjau showcase kerja-kerja konservasi dan perhutanan sosial yang ditampilkan melalui berbagai booth di Arboretum Insinyur Lukito Daryadi, MSC, Jakarta. Menteri Lingkungan Hidup dan Kehutanan Siti Nurbaya menyampaikan pihaknya ingin memberikan gambaran mengenai upaya dan pencapaian KLHK dalam mengelola kawasan konservasi. Selain itu, KLHK juga ingin berbagi kemajuan dalam perhutanan sosial, khususnya dalam pengakuan hukum atas hutan adat.
Sudah ini tadi. Sangkara tadi.
You have just seen our youth perform in the context of conservation and local wisdom. I do hope you enjoy the performance. It is my pleasure to have each and every one of you here at Arboretum Lukito Daryadi, Manggala Wanabakti, surrounded by the beauty of nature under the peaceful canopy of trees. I hope this serene environment allows any weariness to fade away, replenishing us with fresh energy and enthusiasm. This renewed spirit will help us further optimize our partnership, strengthening our commitment to Indonesia's forestry and other land use for NEPSING 2030, and amplifying the positive impact we can create together. Our partnership signifies a shared dedication to sustainable development, biodiversity conservation, the empowerment of the Adat community, and the recognition of Adat forests. It also supports the transformation of the forestry sector toward more productive, climate-resilient practices. By pooling our expertise and resources, we aim to achieve meaningful and transformative outcomes for Indonesia's environmental stewardship. This collaboration highlights the shared responsibility between the government and communities. It's more than just a partnership. It also serves as a means of reducing potential conflicts, which must be handled carefully by the relevant authorities. Community involvement is essential in every phase of forest management, fostering a sense of connection and accountability in protecting.
Dalam kunjungannya, delegasi BEF berdiskusi langsung dengan 7 taman nasional seperti Taman Nasional Tanjung Puting, Taman Nasional Bromo Tengger Semeru, Taman Nasional Sebangau, Taman Nasional Ujung Kulon, Taman Nasional Gunung Rinjani, Taman Nasional Merbabu, dan Taman Nasional Leuser. Tak hanya taman nasional, terdapat pula booth 2 masyarakat hutan adat, yaitu Kampung Kute dan Tenganan Pengeringsingan, dan juga 2 usaha perhutanan sosial dengan kopi agroforestrinya. Selain mengunjungi booth, delegasi BEF juga berkesempatan menyaksikan tarian tradisional oleh siswa sekolah dasar dari Sembalun, Nusa Tenggara Barat, dan pidato dalam bahasa Inggris oleh siswa dari SMAN 8 Jakarta. Pada kesempatannya, Presiden and CEO Bezos Earth Fund, Andrew Stier, dan Zach Goldsmith selaku Senior Fellow Bezos Earth Fund menyatakan kekagumannya karena KLHK telah mendatangkan generasi muda brilian yang berkomitmen terhadap agenda ini.
I would like to pay homage to all of you in this ministry for working so hard to improve the environment. And what you have done on the Adat community level is remarkable by any international standards. What you have done in driving down those forest rates is remarkable by any international standard. And I hope Lord Zach Goldsmith will be able to say a word about this as well. But when we look at what Indonesia has done, the world now listens to what you say, and you can set standards. When you go to international conferences, people listen, and we desperately need leadership in the the international environmental arena today. Now, that's not why you've done such a good job. You've done such a good job because your own people deserve it, and it's good for your economy, it's good for citizens, it's good for indigenous people, but actually it's had an amazing payoff. And so I would like to thank all of you, Jen, all of you senior members here for what you've done. Let me just say the Bezos Earth Fund, which I have the privilege of leading. Andy Jarvis over here is our Director of the Future of Food. Lord Zach Goldsmith is our Principal Advisor and Ambassador, if you like, as well as being a wonderful Minister of Environment and Nature himself back in the United Kingdom. For us, Indonesia is a very important country. We are a relatively new philanthropy, but my goodness me, we absolutely want to be as helpful as we can to Indonesia.
KLHK berharap pertemuan ini dapat menjadi tonggak sejarah bagi komitmen kedua belah pihak untuk mencapai target lingkungan yang ambisius, terutama tujuan untuk mewujudkan carbon net sink dari sektor Palu pada tahun 2030.